Hidrive are here for organisations that want to look world-class for the long haul and for people that want less headaches with their fleet. Whether you're a one-town business or a national organisation, consistency is really important. When a number of your vehicles are parked together at a customer's job, are they going to look like a mess, or is your fleet going to look consistent and world-class?
Now, we've had some really positive feedback from people that we've worked with that say their staff have all of a sudden got another sense of pride, and they're very proud of turning up at work with the uniform and with the labelled vehicle, and it just feels like it's a full set now.
Hidrive use the world's best materials. Most signage companies are using inferior vinyls. With Hidrive, you get what you pay for. You can be certain we'll use materials that are the same across your entire fleet nationally, and it'll be the most durable and best performing products money can buy. For those that want their first vehicle in Perth to look like vehicle 21 in Melbourne and vehicle 66 in Brisbane.
Over my years of working here, I've noticed that things tend to fade quite easily because of the sun, including myself. We tend to use the eco-solvent ink as it stands the time over the sun, the harsh Australian sunshine. It's nice to have a solvent ink which really penetrates into the vinyl, and it's a very good, bold product that's produced on solvent inks. There's other ink solutions in the market, but after a bit of testing and over time, we've decided that eco-solvent's the way to go forward. We always like to say that you don't just buy one service body. People always come back for another one because they've had such a good experience working with the Hidrive team, from every member, from the people that work on your service body from the scratch to the people that install your signage at the end of it all. It's a fully rounded system. It's something we're very proud of, and I think our customers know that too.
Hidrive offer you one point of contact for your national fleet for decades to come. Do you really want to have to keep an Excel spreadsheet of 20 different signage providers? Different people doing things differently, and it's really hard to maintain consistency, and it's even harder to maintain quality. So if you'd like your fleet to look like it should for years to come, let's quote you a Fleetbrand solution. Book a free appointment with a Hidrive mobile workspace specialist. We'd be keen to learn about your organisation and offer you a great one-stop shop solution.